Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. I'm still watching here this trend channel that is developing to the upside. I don't actually think we need the upper boundary line, upper trend line. It looks a bit like a wedge pattern. It's not very well defined, but the lower trend line seems to be very well defined. We're currently observing if indeed a 5-wave move to the upside is forming. 5 waves can already be counted as complete. I have added a wide subwave structure for that. Is it my primary scenario? Not really. It's just too choppy to be reliable. So this whole move is very choppy, very sloppy, okay? But I'm observing it, you know, I'm watching if we can get here, if we can continue to form a reliable impulsive move to the upside. Again, it's not really how I normally like to see it, but it's moving according to the trend channel, it's following the trend channel. And we have adhered to all the rules and guidelines of the Elliott Wave principle. And also the fib levels pretty much work. But to make really the fib levels work and give us a, let's say, reliable 5-wave move up, I would like to see a move into the area between $5 and $5.50, rather towards the 550 mark in wave 5 of 5. Okay, so the yellow count at the moment is leading as long as we're holding the trend line. And the yellow count suggests that we had a 1-2 setup down here. That was very early. That was here on the 20th of October. Then all of this is a third wave. Doesn't look like a third should normally look like, but it, you know, the way you count, you can count it by following all the rules and guidelines of Elliott Wave. And it came down to wave 4 here on the 31st of October. And we could now be in a 5th wave to the upside, which would be an ending diagonal, an extended 5th with an ending diagonal. So in here we have a wave 1 as an ABC, a wave 2. Then the wave 3 would be an ABC that could be done, could also stretch a little higher, okay? Then we should get a 4 and a 5. So I'd like to see at least one more high, possibly to 525, the next fib extension, or 555. Now, I can make the case for an expanding diagonal in this 5th wave. So let's assume, yeah, you know, yellow wave 4 here still ended on the 31st of October. Nothing changed, but the way we count it from there is different. And we can see this as a small 1-2, a long wave 3, a 4, and a long wave 5. Important is just that the third wave is not the shortest, which it isn't. So this would be a different way of calling it a diagonal pattern. It reached the 61.8 extension, the $5 level, technically fulfilled the minimum expectations. And therefore I did say, look, if we now break below the trend line, I'm happy to provide a support area for a deeper wave 2 pullback. I can already give you one, but it's not going to stay on the chart because we haven't got a reliable top in place. But if we then come down in a wave 2, it should get the price into the region between $4.40 and $3.83. So $3.83 is basically going to be main support. Against that level, the focus can remain on higher in a third wave. Thing is, sometimes when it's very bullish, the market, the wave 2 can be very shallow, but should still reach the 38.2 fib level. Better would be the 50% fib level, and that's at $4.22. But again, if we push a little higher, I have to adjust this support area. Can you see that? And the price will move with it, or the support area will move with the price. I would prefer the price to go a little higher because then it would mean that we can just stay outside of this trend channel when we come back into support. What it means is, if we break down now, main support levels or fib support levels will sit within this descending price channel, out of which DOT only recently broke out. So I would like to avoid, from a bullish point of view, that DOT breaks back into this price channel. Yeah, that's just a quick update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.